Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Analicasa Sagagi, 35 years old. I am married. I have 2 children. I am high school graduate and I attend training in TISDA as domestic work in Sito. My husband working as construction worker. I have 1 brother, 3 sisters. My work experience, I worked before her in Philippines as household worker. More than 2 years, I served for members and I also work in Taiwan as caretaker. My duties responsibilities, cooking, washing clothes, clean the house, gardening, and marketing. And I know how to cook Filipino foods and Chinese basic foods. And I'm willing to learn how to cook more Chinese cook. And I know how to speak basic Cantonese like Manon, good afternoon, ni hao ma, how are you, Manon, good evening, at Chow San, good morning. And I know how to take care baby and child. And I give milk on foods on time. I give vitamins prescribed by the doctors. Take a bath every day. And I love them as my own family. Ma'am, sir, please hire me. I need this job to support the needs of my family and my future of my children. Ma'am, sir, don't worry. I am honest, loyal, responsible, and I'm hard work. If you hired me, ma'am, sir, I promise I will do my best on my duties and responsibilities. And I stay long time if you want. And I expected my future employer treat me as family. I hope we are good relationship to you and all your families as a helper. Sir, ma'am, thank you. See you soon.